Now, let us look at the concept of Genesis. The Genesis, it's not about how the humanity was formed or how the world was formed. It is much different. This Genesis doesn't happen only at the beginning of the creation. It happens even when there is a new birth, when a new baby is born. That same process of Genesis is repeated even when a stone forms. And let us look at this amazing process of Genesis. In the beginning, you see, there is neti neti or nothing nothing, and this nothing nothing, it has a vibration. So let's, I don't know, probably we can call it the Big Bang. There is a vibration. There's a, in terms of Vedic wisdom, there is a need for creation. There is ichcha or the desire, and this desire is the vibration that basically manifests into, it multiplies, it creates ripples of creation, this one vibration. And when this one vibration, it starts, it creates a soul that is distinct, just like taking a drop away from the ocean. So this drop, it becomes a separate entity, and this happens right from the beginning of creation of the universe to the creation of a tiny puppy. The same thing is repeated. Okay, and now let us look at the process. This soul, it's a separate entity. It's a separate entity. Now the soul, it combines with Prakriti. There are two factors in Dvaitavad. That's one of the school of thoughts of logic in the ancient India. That's Dvaita concept, which says that there are two factors. One is Prakriti and another is Jiva. Jiva means the soul, the life force. And this life force, it combines with the matter. Okay, so Purush is essentially the life force, the ability to manifest, the ability to create, and Prakriti is the source of creation. It is the tool of creation. It is the kind of, let's say that Purush is the purpose of creation, and Prakriti is the tool or the way in which you create. So when these two things, they combine, the purpose and the tool of manifestation, then anything manifests, right? So it's not only about the creation of the universe or creation of a new human being. It is about even the simplest thing like an objective to wake up early. So you have an objective to wake up early, and what is the tool? Probably your alarm clock. So this is such an essential concept to almost everything that happens in universe, because everything that happens in the universe, it has a purpose and it has a tool, and this purpose can manifest into different tools, according to the kind of situation or context. This purpose can have different tools. This purpose can manifest in different levels of frequency. So basically the concept of Purush and Prakriti is not only the soul and the nature. That soul and nature comes on a grosser level, but essentially it is the purpose and the tool. So when there is a purpose, there is Purush and there is a tool, these two combine and create. So this is the point where the creation actually starts. Okay, and what happens when the purpose and the tool they mix? The tool starts to work. Yeah, the tool starts to manifest the purpose. And this is exactly what happens. Here, you at this point, when the soul or the life force, it combines with the nature, then nature gives three modes or three types or three patterns of tool to the soul, and these three patterns are the three guna. That means sattva, raj or tamas. These are three states in which the purpose can exist. Say example, very basic example, if I have a purpose of waking up early in the morning, I can have a sattva or the balance, and I think I will do it and I do it. Okay, so this is balance. This is plain and simple. Second type of energy is rajas. Rajas means activity. Okay, activity. That means I have a purpose to wake up early in the morning, so I put up the alarm clock. I tell everyone wake me up early in the morning, and I do a lot of things, and then yes, okay, I wake up. So waking, the result is not there yet, but yes, I do a lot of things to do it. The third type of energy is tamas. That means I have a purpose to wake up early in the morning, but I feel too lazy, and when it's morning time, when my alarm clock rings, then probably I just shut it off and go back to sleep. So that this purpose can manifest in three different ways. So these are the three different states of these are the three different contraptions that nature provides to each and every soul, or to each and everything that is happening. These are the three ways in which things can go, things can move, and these three states are called triguna. The concept of triguna, that means sattva, raj and tama. These are three states in which everything in the universe, it moves. So when a soul combines with the nature, it can manifest in these three ways. It chooses one of the ways. It chooses consciously, chooses one of the ways. Say for example, if I want to be if I'm going to be born, okay, I get in touch with nature and I say, okay, what are the options? And then nature says these are the three options: sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. What kind of person would you like to be when you are born? So I choose, okay, let me be a rajasic person. I'm gonna do a lot of things, and I have a lot of aims, accomplishments that I want to achieve, a lot of desires. So let me choose rajasic. I choose rajasic energy, rajasic state. From here, everything starts in a specific color, in a specific sequence, in a specific pattern.